This is what your code 16 is on your dash of your Vauxhall. It basically means you've got a brake light out. In this case, it's the offside in a right-hand drive. So what we're going to do, hopefully, if it'll play ball, I'm going to wedge down the brake pedal to show you. Turn the automatic lights off, and then around the back, looking on the drivers, centre and the offside, centre and the near side are working. Hopefully, aha, just a dodgy contact, and your code 16 has gone. Cycle the ignition, just so we prove it's not a fluke. There we go, no code 16. Press the brake a couple of times, it's working again. Clearly just a dodgy contact, so next job, change that bulb. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.